Hey there, I'm Adiba and welcome to my channel QA Pulse. I'm on a mission to create, share, and inspire in the world of quality assurance. This channel is where I bring my perspective, the knowledge I have gathered, and the lessons I have learned along the way. So let me tell you guys what kind of content can you expect here. Hands-on tutorials to simplify complex tools and techniques. Stay updated on the latest QA trends, practices, and technologies. Tricks to help you find and fix issues like a pro. Stories from my journey in QA to inspire and guide you. It is a place to grow, connect, and thrive in the QA world. Let's make this journey exciting and insightful, and I hope you will travel with me, grow with me, and most importantly, learn with me. Together, we will make QA Pulse your go-to destination for all things related to QA. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel.